In this video, let's build an oscillator using timer555 IC and few very basic components. To build this circuit, you'll need a timer555 IC, two 1 kilo ohm resistors, an LED for indication, and a capacitor. I'm using 5-volt power supply here. If you increase the power supply, do make sure to increase the resistance which is connected with the LED. After connecting everything, the LED should blink like this. It's blinking a bit too fast. So let me explain how this is working in a very simple way. It basically generates a square wave like this. So in a square wave, there are ones and zeros. When it's 1, the LED turns on, and when it's 0, the LED turns off. That's how basically it works. Higher capacitance means the cycle is longer. That means the LED turns on for a long time and turns off for a very long time. When the capacitance is decreased, the cycles will increase in a second. So the LED will turn on for a short period of time and be turned off for a small period of time. Now this happens because the capacitor charges and discharges. So the speed of the blinking depends on how fast the capacitor charges and discharges. That's how this basically works. Thanks for watching. If you did like this video, do make sure to like it and subscribe. Meet you in the next one.